Hello everyone and welcome back to Queenvarieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. Today I'm going to share how to make the richest ever meat pie for beginners. For the very first step and process, inside a very neat bowl, I'm going to sift all dry ingredients. I have here 4.5 cups of flour. Include nutmeg and salt. You can substitute with cinnamon. Next ingredient coming in now is 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder with vanilla sugar. You're going to mix everything for even distribution. Once completed, I'm going to add 250 grams of cold butter with 2 cold eggs. Next, I'll add 4 teaspoons of vanilla aroma. You can substitute with extract and use 1 teaspoon of extract. I'm going to use my neat hands to combine all ingredients until a crumble-like texture is formed. This is exactly how it's going to look when it is achieved. Step by step, we begin to include the whole milk. Make sure the milk is cold. Here we are going to form a very soft, firm dough. I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Turn on your bell notifications, like this video and drop your comments for me at the comment section. I've placed the dough right now on the surface, knead for only 1 minute and then transfer into a cling film, seal it and place in your refrigerator for exactly 30 good minutes. Guys, so all the ingredients needed to prepare the meat pie fillings are now ready. They are all prepped. Into a preheated pot, I'm going to open it up and add 1/3 cup of oil. Alright, so once the oil is heated, I'm going to include onions and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. That is going to give a spicy kick to the recipe. Trust me, you're going to love it. I'm going to stir fry for exactly 3 good minutes. After 3 minutes, I'll bring in the minced meat. For the minced meat, I'm going to cook for exactly 5 good minutes. Beautiful friends, so 5 minutes later, we have that gorgeous appearance. The flavor is bursting at this point in time. It smells incredibly awesome. Season with various spices, salt and seasoning cubes. Bring in the carrots and the potatoes. Add a reasonable quantity of water, precisely 2 cups of water. Mix everything to combine generously, and here we are going to cover the pot and steam this for exactly 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. Alright people, so it's been exactly 10-15 minutes now, and guys, everything now is ready. You don't want the fillings to overcook. You need to add exactly 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into this pot and then mix everything to combine well. Here smells so good. You can see the quality and the deliciousness of the filling. I have steamed it for extra 3 minutes. It is ready. I'm going to set it aside, but then I'll place it in a bowl and allow it to release the steam as fast as possible, because you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. So allow this to cool down completely before you use it. Proceed and crack 1 egg and add 2 tablespoons of milk into it. Then you're going to set this aside until we require it. Place the dough back on my surface. Use my hands, flatten a little bit. With my cutter, I will divide into 2 sections. For every section, I will divide into 4 segments. To have 8 sizes, and the extras will give you either extra 1 or 2, which will make you have much more. I am making 10 large meat pies. This can also make medium sizes of about 15 to 18 sizes if you should make yours smaller. Moving forward, I will drop 1 segment of the dough on my work surface, and using the rolling pin, I'm going to roll it to flatten to this thickness. Want it too thick, at the same time you don't want it to be too flat. Trust me guys, you're going to enjoy the buttery meat pie crust when you bite right into it. Don't forget to brush the sides with the egg milk mixture we prepared earlier on and set aside. To seal properly with your hand, also with the fork, to avoid it from bursting open during the baking process in the oven. This is very important. This is how beautiful it turned out. You're going to repeat the same procedure until you have exhausted all the dough that we set aside earlier on, and once completed, you're going to have 10 large meat pie sizes. With your fork, you're going to give piercings on the surface, so during the baking process, steam is going to escape. Brush with the egg milk mixture once again. Transfer to a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. And my dear friends, this is how gorgeously beautiful our meat pies turned out. Rich, delicious, incredibly and absolutely flaky and super yum. Once this meat pie drops on your tongue, guys, you will feel that buzzing pepperish flavor. It smells incredibly amazing, and this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode. This is how you can make that perfect meat pie for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Until I see you next time, God bless you. Bye for now.